Good morning.
Welcome to our house.
It is a beautiful sunny day.
Yawn! I am awake. I am hungry for breakfast. Where is my hat? Got it. Now I am ready. Time to find Dad. Oh no, these pants are tricky. Teddy, can you help me? No? Okay. Let me help you, Mia. 1, 2, snap. Now you look perfect.
Oh, where is the TV remote? It is movie time later. I cannot find it anywhere. Is it under the rug? No. Is it in the vase? No. This is a mystery.
Dad!
Oh.
Dad! Look! Buster has the remote. He thinks it is a bone.
Buster! Stop! Drop it! That is not for eating!
That is not for eating.
Ew! It is wet and slimy. Thank you, Buster. Good dog.
My tummy is growling like a lion. Grrr. I want pancakes!
Do not worry. Chef Tom is here. Who wants a flying pancake?
Nice catch, Dad. You are wearing a pancake hat. Ha ha ha!
Oh, man.
Oh, Tom, you are so silly. Let's eat the pancakes on the plate, not on your head.
Yummy. It is sweet and fluffy. I love breakfast time.
Okay, team, time to clean up. We work together fast.
Vroom! Vroom! The dust monster is hungry. Gobble, gobble!
Swish! 3 points. Cleaning is a sport. I am winning. We did it! The room is shiny now. Can we go outside?
Hello, nature. The sun is hot.
No.
The plants look thirsty.
Dig a small hole, put the flower in, and cover it with soil. Gentle hands, Mia.
Drink up, little flower. Grow big and tall like me. Hey, Dad. I think you look thirsty too. Watch out!
Whoa! Cold water!
Leo, stop!
Oh no, I am soaked!
Okay, that was refreshing. But now I need a towel.
Dad, my bike is sick. The tire is flat and squishy.
Dr. Dad will fix it. We need the air pump. Stand back. Push down, pull up. It is hard work. Is it full yet?
Yep, it's full now, Tom. Ew. Look at Buster. He is a mud monster. He smells funny.
Car wash time, but for the dog. Scrub him well, everyone.
Look, Buster has a white hat. He looks fancy now.
Incoming!
Take
Cover! It is a water explosion.
Good boy. You are handsome again. Now, let's go to the park.
The park! The park! I want to go on the slide first. Push me higher, Mommy.
Okay, sweetie. Are you ready?
Yes! Higher, Mommy. I want to touch the clouds.
I am not too big. I can do this. Here I go. Oh dear. I am stuck. I need a push. Or maybe butter.
Okay, we need food for dinner. Stay close, everyone.
Can we get the chocolate cereal? Please, Mom. It has a tiger on it.
No chocolate today. We need healthy colors. Red, green, and orange.
I want this soup. It is at the bottom. Careful, careful. Oh no! Oops! My mistake. Sorry. I will pick them up.
Let's go home and cook.
Welcome to the pizza party.
Wow.
Tonight, we make our own dinner.
Wow. You are a ninja chef, Dad. Teach me how to spin it. Red sauce everywhere. It is like painting a picture.
Cheese, meat, and veggies. This will be delicious.
Look at the cheese bubble. It smells amazing. Is it ready?
This is the best pizza ever. I made the best slice.
Time to call Grandma and Grandpa. Everyone smile big.
Yay!
Hello, family. We miss you. You look wonderful tonight.
Hi, Grandma. Teddy says hello, too. We made pizza.
Good night. We love you. Talk to you soon.
1, 2, 3. Hide quickly. I am coming to get you.
Shh! He cannot see me. I am invisible.
I'm invisible. Where are they? Oh, are they in this cup? You found us. Okay, now let's go outside. It is dark. Welcome to the camping tent. Look at the moon. It is huge.
It is cozy in here. Listen to the crickets singing. Chirp, chirp.
Look, there are a million stars. I wish I could fly there. Mommy, I lost Mr. Teddy. I cannot find him anywhere.
Do not cry, Mia. We will find him. He is playing hide and seek.
Look, Buster has him. He is cuddling the teddy.
Brush, brush, brush. Up and down. Clean teeth are happy teeth.
Sleep tight, my angel. Sweet dreams.
He is asleep already, dreaming of bicycles and pancakes. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow for another adventure.